In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Printify to Squarespace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to make sure you have a Printify account set up. If you haven't done that yet, head over to the Printify website and sign up. It's a simple process. Just enter your email, create a password, and follow the prompts. Once you're in, take a moment to explore the interface if you're unfamiliar with it. It's pretty user-friendly, and getting to know where everything is will make this whole process smoother. Next, log into your Squarespace account. If you don't have a Squarespace site yet, you'll need to create one. Squarespace is a great platform for building visually appealing websites, so if you're looking to sell products, you're already on the right path by using it. Make sure your site is set up with the basics, the title, logo, and any other important details you want your customers to see. Now we're ready to link Printify to Squarespace. Start by navigating back to your Printify dashboard. Look for the Manage My Stores option on the left side of the screen. When you click on it, a drop-down should appear with an option to Add New Store. Click that and you'll see several platforms where you can connect your Printify account. Go ahead and select the Squarespace option. If this is your first time connecting these two services, the system may prompt you to log in to your Squarespace account. Follow the authorization instructions carefully. It's crucial that you grant Printify permission to manage your products and orders seamlessly. After successfully logging into Squarespace, you'll redirect back to Printify, where you should see a notification confirming that your store is now linked. Great job! You've taken a significant step towards synchronizing your Printify products with your Squarespace site. Now it's time to add some products. Navigate to the Catalog in Printify. Here, you'll find a whole range of customizable products, from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and phone cases. Take your time to browse through these options. When you find something you want to sell, click on it to enter the design phase. You can upload your custom designs or use Printify's built-in tools to create something unique. Once you're satisfied with how your product looks, be sure to set your pricing. Remember, you'll want to set a price that covers your costs and leaves room for profit. After you've done that, hit the Set or Publish button. This will send the product directly to your linked Squarespace store. Now let's shift back to your Squarespace website. Log in again and look for the Pages section. This is where you'll manage visibility and organization for your storefront. If you've set everything up correctly, you should see the newly published products under your shop page. If they're not immediately visible, don't panic. Sometimes it takes a moment for everything to sync, so just give it some time. To ensure your products are displayed nicely, spend some time customizing your shop page layout within Squarespace. You can adjust how products appear, add descriptions, and even feature promotions. It's all about making your store appealing to potential customers. You should also consider optimizing your product SEO. In Squarespace, each product can be assigned tags and descriptions that will help improve their visibility in search engines. Fill these out thoughtfully to attract more visitors. Before you officially launch your store, make sure to do a final review. Check that all the links work, images are clear, and information is accurate. It's essential that your customers have the best experience when they visit your site. So once you're happy with everything, it's time to launch. Promote your new store on social media, through email newsletters, or any other channels you have. Engaging your audience can help boost sales. And that's it! You've now successfully linked Printify to Squarespace and created your online store. Remember, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more helpful content. Good luck!